C sharp mostly. Right? So this is how the division happens from the technology perspective, right? The platforms that we want to have. So I'll talk about each of them in detail. Let me first talk about the skills that artists should have if they want to create games. In this case, the skills that is mostly required is Photoshop. Okay. Tablets, smartphones, you need to have 3D modeling software. Most popular being Autodesk Maya, Motion Builder. Then we have Photoshop. Online, again mostly need Photoshop. Here you have the same set of softwares that are here. Right? Third, there are a couple of tools that you can use directly to create your games, which are used by both the programmers as well as the artists. The tools that I have listed here is, for example, these tools won't be used by programmers ever. These things won't be used by artists ever. But there are a couple of things that has been there in the market, which you must have heard of, which is called as game engine. Right? So game engine is something on which the entire team works at the same time. Right? But still you need a couple of things from here, a couple of things from here for an artist or programmer to work together. Right? So a lot of engines available. You must have heard of Unity 3D, and there is something called as UDK. Right? Online also. So Unity 3D is an engine which allows you to create games also from web, online games. Unity 3D also allows you to create games for PC, for example. They are slowly moving towards console, but they haven't reached there as yet. So UDK is, anybody of you know what UDK is?
Unreal Development.
Yeah. So UDK is Unreal Development Kit. It is mostly in console. If a developer is not creating their own custom engine, then they will in most scenarios use UDK. But it is also possible for you or for a developer or for a company to create their own custom engine. Right? So in our company we have written our own custom engine. So we don't like using these. There are a couple of advantages that are there if we compare writing a custom engine versus using an engine that is already in the market. One being, in terms of advantage that custom provides, is you don't have to be dependent on someone else for any features. Right? A lot of basic features are already supported. So also the disadvantage is it will be rare that from a game developer's perspective you will need some feature that is totally out of this world, that is not supported by the engine. It will happen very rarely, but still you have that flexibility. For example, if you follow the iOS market, for example, then there are iOS updates that keeps on coming. Right? Very recently iOS 6 came out. So if you want to utilize the functionalities or the power that iOS 6 is providing, you have to be dependent on Unity guys to put it in their engine, and then you will be able to use it. However, if you have your own engine, then as soon as Apple releases it in the market, you can directly use it and start using its features in your app. So there are a couple of trade-offs, but the biggest one is these tools are very easy to use. Not very easy, but still it is easy to use as compared to custom variables, right? Game